New research. Zombie virus is possible. Yes, even today there are some viruses that can cause symptoms similar to those associated with the zombie virus, such as rabies and some forms of encephalitis. However, there are a number of countries that are researching on viruses that could potentially be used to create a zombie-like outbreak. It is theoretically possible to genetically engineer the rabies virus into a zombie virus that could cause people to exhibit some of the characteristics of zombies in popular culture. It is possible that scientists could eventually develop the technology to create a zombie virus. Such a virus could be used as a biological weapon, and it could have devastating consequences for humanity. The US government has a number of programs that are dedicated to researching and developing new ways to combat biological threats. These programs include the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases, NIAID, and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC. Other countries that are active in this area include Russia, China, and the United Kingdom. These countries all have their own programs for researching and developing new biodefense technologies. The rabies virus is a RNA virus, which means that its genetic material is RNA rather than DNA. This makes it more difficult to engineer than DNA viruses. Additionally, the rabies virus is very stable, which means that it is difficult to change its genetic makeup. To create a zombie virus, scientists would need to make a number of changes to the rabies virus genome. They would need to change the way the virus enters and infects cells, the way it spreads from person to person, and the way it causes disease. They would also need to make the virus more aggressive and virulent, but it is highly unlikely that they would ever do so. The risks of such a virus are too great, and there is no scientific or medical justification for creating it.